As you all know, the food is sweet, but the story is sweet. Some may get married though. This one a true life story, but not be my story. I meet my husband for abroad, then we marry, we started life. Before we marry, he tell me say one of his sister died, leave children, a boy and a girl. Which I was also talking with those children while we were dating. Children get one nanny when they take care of them like that. According to my mom, this nanny and nanny where they take care of them before their parents die. He tell me say they die for motor accident. You know, say I see the way my husband they concerned about these children, making sure they are okay and they are well taken care of. I know if you marry and me myself, I know one day part of those children. Yeah, I get just 3 children for my husband for abroad. But they normally they do as I take care of my own children where they abroad. Now so I take care of those children where they Africa. Because my husband make me understand say his sister when he die leave the children for if I they go shopping, they buy things for my children, that's why they buy for these children. Zemba know they pass, make I not send these children bag of clothes and shoes. I know they talk for a normal day, I they send them money, I they take care of them like say they be my children. For me, I was just doing something where go make my husband happy. Because even when we they dating, tell me say anything when go affect that children, it don't affect him. If you say you love me, you have to love those children. Because their parents not they are alive now, only me one they can't know as their parents now. Place where the children feel they live, you know, can't they comfortable for them. And that particular time, my husband was not having a job because of some kind particular things like that. So I have to be the one who pay for a new apartment. Make una not forget to they get nanny where they take care of and them. They pay this nanny every month. I was just doing it before my husband go fit stand back for his feet. I got them a new apartment, furnish the apartment. Then the place can't they far from the former school when they go. And I had to change them from that school to another school. Now know why this story they pay me like this. Hey, make una just listen to the end. Gifty, this matter when I tell you, so not be 1 year, not be 2 years, not be 3 years matter. I was taking care of these children for years. Not knowing that both the children and the nanny, when I they take care of for years, the nanny and my husband, baby mama. The 2 children are my husband children, like biological children. Now, let's talk about how she find out. Sometimes people go to talk, say, no, they good, though they good, no, they pay. My own good deal. Now, it make me know the truth. So. Anytime when I go Africa, I know say I go reach my husband people then side. I always prepare myself, buy things for the children now, make them tell, oh, but this has been happening for years because I also they get for my own family too. And last year when I go Africa, my husband, younger brother, their last born. Before I they come out, they do sales for this city when I they stay for abroad. So I got some Nike and Puma nice shoes. Because that my husband, the last born, I too like and too they go message for me. I was like, make I just see surprise and with nice designers things. So I reach Nigeria and now I carry the thing give. That evening I come tell me say, auntie, get one bar way just open, very nice. Now daytime you go like. Based on say me, I love enjoyment. I was like, where we go now? Make una not worry. When it comes to handbag, now he be my handbag whenever I reach Nigeria. They sabi show me around and I himself they drive me. Like now he be my driver. Now driver they call. Now when we reach the bar, we they drink, we they eat. Now there this boy come tell me say this thing when you want tell me so you know say the whole family go first. That means everybody for the family knew about it. Of course they go. But he no care because in mind they judge him. Because I too day 9. Wait guys, this is true life story. I got married to my husband 5 years ago. And now we get 2 lovely children. The first one are 3 years, while the last one are 8 months. Before I marry my husband, I they go catering school. But immediately after our marriage, Nana Bele enter. But thank God say he don't quick me finish my catering school then before I take him. I know if you just stay as now say I know they do anything. Now I tell my husband say, me I want they cook, they sell. Which